Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you CIBIL report of my Experian account or CIBIL score account. You can see this is one card and this is one score. You can see my score has been successfully increased, guys. You can see, click on grade score here, you can see, and also click on find out here. You can clearly see SBM bank maturity, guys. You can see they are updating the CIBIL score to the bureaus, so it is a good card for improving your CIBIL score or experience, what is it is called the score. Okay, one card is the best for beginners and students. If you are not joined yet in the one card, I will provide the link in the description guide. It is a good credit card for beginners or students. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, ask me, guys. Thank you.